everyone, do you know that QuizGPT has arrived? Let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to create an interactive quiz to test your knowledge about any topic, any product. So first log into chatgpt.com, and this is something very interesting. And now let me ask a question. Please quiz me on basics of generative AI using QuizGPT, and press enter. And now let's see. uh, QuizGPT is going to create the flashcards, some 10 flashcards, and it will ask you the question, and not only ask you the question but give you the answers. So you can see what does the generative AI in generative AI refer to. It is basically generating new content, so this is true. And there is the next flashcard for me, which of these is a common example of generative AI. So ChatGPT, and it's true. And what type of data can generative AI create? Text, images, and more? Yes, it create all type of data. What is a key input for generative AI to work effectively? I think example prompts. Absolutely right. Which technology power most generative AI system today? And that is large language models, LLMs. Excellent work, you nailed it. 5 out of 5. And it is asking me to test my knowledge on some intermediate level at generative AI, but I'm done with that. So you can see you can use this technique. You can use this built-in tool of Quiz GPT to it's help you to prepare for certification, or you can test your knowledge about a particular product, or you can even use it to teach your kids homework and maybe onboarding a new team member, right? So happy learning use this GPT to create a quiz for you. Thank you very much.